All right, we're gonna go on a quick test drive here. We have 8,772 miles on the odometer. Shifts nice and smooth. Alignment's perfect, truck shifts perfect. With just 8,000 miles, it's pretty much a brand new truck. No complaints with the drivability. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at the wheel, overall in great condition. Got your good years, 275 60/20s, tons of tread left. That flare looks good. Fender looks awesome. A-pillar's nice and clean. Here on the side mirrors, you do have a couple spots where bugs have kind of etched into the clear a little bit. Looking at that door, one tiny rock chip right there. That one looks good. Here on the lower side, you're going to see a few chips. The rest of that bed looks good. Wheel's nice and clean. Does not have a bed liner in it, so perfect candidate for that. Looking at that front end, got a touch-up spot right there. Looks really good. Scanning the hood. From what I can see there, that looks awesome. Headlights look nice. You have one chip right there. Another one here. Just a couple more on that lower side. A few more down there. A-pillar looks good. That wheel looks nice. A couple spots of bug etching here. That pillar looks good. Here on the side of the door, you do have a few tiny little scuffs. That door looks good. Bed looks nice. That wheel's clean. Taillight looks good. You have a little gash right there. A couple scratches. You got a small chip there, and then you do have some larger chips and gashes right there. All right, looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. Got the leather seats, all-weather mats, massive screen center console, massive center console, panoramic roof. And it's absolutely gorgeous in here. Upper section looks good. This is Alcantara. See how soft that is. There's all your buttons. Ton of storage in here. Got the all-weather mats. You have Alcantara here on the seat as well. You do have a wrinkle right here in the middle. No rips or anything, just like a little wrinkle. That bolster looks good. That one's nice and clean. Steering wheel looks good. Automatic headlights. All of this looks really, really nice. Here on this door panel, looks good. You got the Alcantara here. You have the all-weather mats with a really deep lip on it. I like those. Power seats, of course. Got Alcantara here on these little inserts. That's just a little shine, so don't worry about that. The rest of that seat, though, is in great condition. This side of the console, that looks good. Got the double glove box. Upper and lower section look really nice. Then you have the massive panoramic roof. Here on this door panel, that looks good. Got the all-weather mat all the way across. Alcantara looks good. There's some really light markings right there. They're very subtle, and they might even wipe out with some cleaner and stuff. Here on the back, got two USB-Cs, USB heated seats, and the 115. All right, checking out the engine bay. Just gonna scan through this, of course, with just over 8,000 miles. It looks pretty much brand new in here. and that liner is really clean.